Hi everyone, we'll discuss about the further selection of components in the boost circuit. In the previous circuit, we have selected controller IC and the inductor part number, and we have discussed about how to select the inductor part number based on the ripple current and duty cycle and the based on the switching current of the diode or inductor, and we have finalized the part number. Now we are going to discuss about another part, which is the diode. Usually we are using Schottky diode to reduce the power losses in the circuit, because the forward voltage of the Schottky diode will be very less compared to the normal diode. So that we are going to prepare the Schottky diode in the boost circuit, and we have to consider the forward current rating should be minimum of switching current. That means the forward current should be more than the maximum switching current of the diode, which we have calculated in the previous video. Please refer our description for the previous video. Here, the power dissipation of the diode can be defined as PD is equal to forward voltage of the diode and forward current of the diode. Yeah, what are the parameters we should consider to select the part number for the Schottky diode? One is the forward current, and second one is forward voltage, and the reverse voltage, and the package, cost, and availability. These are the major parameters we should consider before selecting the Schottky diode. Again, back to the Moser Electronics, and initially I will go to the all products, and the next we'll go to the discrete semiconductors, and the inside this discrete semiconductor we have to go for diode and the rectifier, and here we should consider Schottky diode and rectifiers. And here I am preparing the SMD or the SMT as a mounting style, and forward current should be more than our calculated value, which is 330 milliamps, but I am considering more than the 330 milliamps for the safer side. That will be more than 750 milliamps, and the reverse voltage of the diode should be more than the at least difference between the output and the input, and we have to select the forward voltage as less as possible. So currently I'm using the less than 350 millivolt. Okay, let us filter the parameter, and here I'm going to prepare the package as SOD. So I'm going to select SOD package. Okay, usually in stock. Initially I'm going to filter it with the cost. Here we can see here is the SOD 123 FL package, and forward current and the forward current as 1 amps. It can support up to 1 amps, and reverse voltage will be 30 volt, and the forward voltage will be 350 millivolt, and it can support up to the surge current of 45 amps. Okay, and maximum temperature is 150 degrees Celsius. So we can confirm this part number. Let us go inside. Let us verify sufficient stock, and the cost will be the unit price will be $0.32. and as we have discussed, forward current will be 1 amps, and reverse voltage will be 30 volt, and forward voltage will be 350 millivolt, and with the package of SOD-FL. We can consider the diode part number as RS X101 MM30TR. Hope you understand that what are the parameters we should consider while selecting the Schottky diode in the boost converter designing. In the next video, we will go for the selection of feedback resistor RFB1 and the RFB2, and we can go for the calculation for the C in and the C out value. I request you to kindly subscribe and like the video. Thank you. Thank you for the watching.